Hey guys, I had a leak in some of my pool piping and the glue really wouldn't fix it. So I got this tape right here. It only adheres to itself, so it doesn't adhere to anything else like duct tape would. So let's go and see how it works. I'm gonna open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go start wrapping. It's not sticky or nothing, but I got this leak right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I will show it to you and then we'll fix this problem. All right, as you can see, I got a good little leak here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this tape on here. All right, so I got it started here, and you just keep stretching it around and it just adheres to itself. I'm gonna finish it up. And there you have it. We got it all sealed up. It's not leaking no more. It's looking great. So if you guys need tape like this to seal up a leak, go ahead and get it. Thanks.